Make your way to lying on your back in Shavasana. Spread the feet to the wide edges of the mat. Place one hand on the heart and one hand on the belly. And just begin to settle your body into the earth, feeling the weight of your body heavy as it presses into the ground beneath you. Consciously soften the eyes, the third eye space, the mouth, the jaw. Take a deep breath into your heart. Feel your chest expand and rise. Long, slow, open mouth exhale. Let it go. Feel your body soften even deeper into the floor. Softening your heart, softening your belly. Feel your hips heavy as they press into the ground. And begin to feel your legs soft and relaxed. Feel your toes still, your feet heavy. Taking another full breath in together. Exhale, allow any tension or negativity to be released back into the earth, creating the sensation of lightness in the body, feeling supported, grounded, centered. With your next inhale, let's draw the knees into the chest for Apanasana. Hands come on top of the knees and just find a gentle rock side to side, slow and steady. Finding reclined shoelace pose. Let's cross the left leg over the right, stacking the knees. The feet reach out to either side, so we reach for either the ankles or the toes, drawing legs in towards the chest for a nice, deep hip opener. Can you focus your breath here? Slowly in, slowly out. Letting the breath be smooth and serene. Slowly switch out the legs, right knee over left knee, feet swinging out to the sides as you reach for the ankles or the feet. Drawing the legs into the chest. Begin to focus on where you feel this in your body. Can you hone your awareness on the point within that you feel this pose most intensely? Being present with sensation. Slowly release the legs. Hands come behind the knees and let's rock up to a seat. Stretching the feet long, inhale through fingertips, tilt the pelvis forward, and then exhale to fold, maybe peace fingers reaching for the big toes. If the hands don't quite reach the feet, you can always reach behind the calves, the knees. Wherever you find yourself, can you drop the chin to chest, creating optimal length on the spine? Once there, find the breath. Deeply inhale, deeply exhale. Maybe even consciously relax your face. With an inhale, slowly rise. Let's place the right foot on the outside of the left leg. Inhale, left arm. Exhale, left elbow to the outside of right knee as you open up for a twist. Right arm behind you as a second spine. Press up and out of the pose. And then exhale, look over your shoulder. Gaze behind you. Option to find a mudra on the left hand by placing thumb and pointer finger together. Channeling the energy through the body. Increasing concentration. Helping to stimulate the root chakra. With an exhale, release that. Left foot steps to the outside of the right leg. With an exhale, bring the right elbow to the outside of the left knee. Option for the mudra on this side. Inhale to grow tall. Exhale, gaze over your back shoulder. Deep spinal twist. Slowly cross over the ankles and step back, tabletop position. Slowly float the right leg back behind you, and then taking right foot over to left edge of the mat, gaze follows, look at your right foot. Back through center, tap right tricep. Extend over to the left. Tap right tricep, use those obliques, extend it out. Tap right tricep, extend. Slowly find balancing table, extend right leg out, left fingertips forward. One long line of energy from fingertips to toes. Hold here or reach around for the back ankle, finding tiger pose. Hand clasping the foot, kick the foot into the hand, opening up through the shoulder. With an exhale, release into thread the needle pose, threading left hand between right wrist and right knee. Pressing into the top of the left hand, encouraging that twist, maybe even tent up on right fingertips, pressing open. Deep breath in. Long, slow exhale out. Inhale, tabletop position. Slowly extend left leg out. Tap the right side of the mat and the gaze follows side body stretch. With your next exhale, left knee, left tricep, tap. Reach the leg out long, tap. Extend, tap, make it touch, tap. Holding, balancing table, extend left leg, reach right fingertips forward. Find a balance and find your breath. Option to hold here or reach around for that bind, especially if you did it on the other side. Hand reaching for the ankle, kick the foot up and back. With an exhale, release to thread the needle, right hand shifting between left wrist and left knee as you come on down. Resting head on the earth. Tent up through the planted hand and press up and out of that right palm, pressing right hand into the mat. Nice twist through upper, middle, back. Can you breathe deeply here? In through the nose. Open mouth, exhale long and slow. Inhale back through tabletop. Drop the belly, lift the gaze. Exhale, round the spine, tuck and curl, cat cow. Continue this movement with your breath. Inhale to lift. Exhale, lower, tuck the chin, lift the spine up to the sky. Become aware of your spine as a whole as you move back and forth. Be present with the grip of the mat beneath your fingertips. Present with the feeling of your clothing brushing up against your skin. Tuck toes under, exhale, hips high, downward facing dog. The gaze goes right to the toes and we spread those fingertips wide. You might choose to take a moment to pedal out the feet. Feel the tilt of the pelvis forward as you lift your tailbone high. Take a moment to shake the head out, releasing the neck. Head is heavy. Long, slow inhale in. Long, slow exhale out. Inhale, come up high into the toes. Take 2 big steps up to the front of the mat, forward fold. Opposite hand, opposite elbow for ragdoll. Shifting your weight from heel to toe. Feel grounded through the feet. You might even play around with figure eighting through the arms, swaying side to side. Feel the upper body melting forward as you give your weight to gravity. Inhale, halfway lift, flat back, straight legs. Exhale, let that go. Inhale, rise, chair pose, sink the hips back. Weight is in the heels as you reach the fingertips forward. Can you give those inner thighs a little squeeze? Engagement through the spine. Inhale, draw left leg into the chest, one leg Tadasana. Exhale, hands through heart center as you glide the weight forward, left foot back, warrior 3. Find your balance. And then slowly bending into the right leg, let's step back, high crescent lunge, staying high onto the ball of the back foot. Deep breath in. Exhale, hook left elbow on the outside of right leg, pressing into the hands to help it serve as an anchor for this twist. Deep breath in, flow through center. Exhale, one leg Tadasana, and then we find tree pose. Tucking the left foot either on the inside of the thigh, the calf, or as a kickstand. Hands flow through heart center as you find your balance. If you feel steady, maybe slowly reach those fingertips up to the sky. The gaze follows up towards the ceiling, challenging your balance even further. Notice how much presence it requires to stay balanced here. Fully here. Let's slowly step the left foot behind the right. Right hand reaches for left wrist, and then we inhale, side body stretch. Make this movement beautiful in your body as you grow long through left side. Inhale through center. Exhale, fold top of your mat. Stepping back, plank pose. Lower all the way down as slow as you can to the belly. Flipping the top of the feet down, inhale, cobra. Peel the heart up off the mat. Exhale, let that go, tuck toes under, swing hips high, downward facing dog. Gaze right back to the toes. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale high onto the toes. Exhale, look forward, step it forward, forward fold. Bringing the hands interlace behind the neck, draw the elbows together, giving the head a gentle squeeze. Weight is in the toes, creating length along the backs of the legs. Slowly release the hands, inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, release. Inhale, rise, chair pose, hips back, fingertips forward. Weight is in the heels. Find your alignment, your focus, and then breathe. Fully in, fully out. With an inhale, we draw the right knee into the chest, one leg Tadasana. Exhale, slowly glide it back, warrior three. Keep a flex in the right toes, pointing down towards the earth. Gaze right down in front of you. Focus your attention and your awareness here in this moment. Slowly begin to bend into the left leg, stepping back, high crescent lunge. High onto the ball of the back foot, front knee tracing over front ankle. Inhale. Exhale, right elbow hooks on the outside of left leg. Pressing into the hands as an anchor here. Lift the upper body up off that top thigh with the twist. Continue to shift your weight forward with the back foot. Inhale, high crescent lunge, fingertips to the sky. Exhale, one leg Tadasana, and then we find tree pose. So any of those levels with the foot, maybe inner thigh, calf, kickstand, hands find the heart. Finding an unmoving focal point, your moment to focus in. If you'd like to challenge yourself, fingertips up to the sky and the gaze follows. Slowly step the right foot behind the left. Left hand to right wrist. Side body stretch on the right. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly fold forward. Plant the hands, step back plank. Lower down as slow as you can, elbows brush the ribs. Flipping the top of the feet, inhale cobra. Exhale, release. Tuck toes under, exhale, hips high, downward facing dog. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Look towards the top of your mat, 2 big steps up. Peace fingers reach for the big toes, and then we fold forward, drawing the nose towards the knees, elbows reaching out towards the left and the right. Focus on your breath here. Fully aware of the inhale. Fully aware of the exhale. Plant through the hands, heel, toe, feet out to the edges of the mat. Heels in, toes out. Hands through heart center through Malasana. The hands pressing together and the elbows reaching into the insides of the knees, squatting down low. If the hips feel too tight, you can always sit on a block, a stool. Wherever you're at, can you close your eyes? Focus inward. Feel the breath in the body. Gently come down to a seat lying on the back. Plant the feet hip-width distance apart, fingertips reaching down as the palms pressed into the earth. Inhale, bridge pose as you send the hips high, press the feet into the ground. Option to interlace the hands down along the length of the spine, chin to chest. Breathe in. Breathe out. With an exhale, slowly come down, hips back down towards the earth, and reach for the outsides of the feet for happy baby. Rooting the tailbone and the low back down towards the floor. Nice deep hip opener here to finish off the practice. Soles of the feet come to touch for butterfly pose. Knees are heavy, reaching out to the left and the right. One hand finds the heart. One hand finds the belly. Take a deeper than usual breath into the hands. Fill up. And let it go. Feel your weight melting into the ground beneath you as you soften into stillness. Allowing yourself these last moments to feel connected with the ground beneath you, to feel supported and held. Take a deep breath in through the nose. Long, slow, open mouth exhale, let it go as the hands find heart center. Thumbs to third eye. Pausing here, taking a moment for gratitude. Gratitude for life, for this moment together. From my heart to yours. Namaste.